Hi, my name is Osteoclades cichalarum, and I'm a plant. Or well, that was I supposed to be? Never mind, let's start. I used it to live in the forest area of the Victorian Islands. Only there, just there, no another part of the world, just there. In Celdes, and you will start thinking, where the hell is that? Well, let me tell you that's at the really east of Africa, in some part of the ocean. I was claustrophobic, so I was at the beginning of the food web. I was used for annual and perennial no timber crops. That was a problem. For human settlement, invasion plants, this deterioration of my habitat, and zero conservation measures, I got extinct. That was it. I was officially announced extinct on September 27 of 2007. That was 11 years ago, a really time ago.
Hi, I'm the polar bear, and my friends and I live in the north of the world, mostly known as the Antarctic or the North Pole, where there are an ocean, glaciers, snow, etc. And this zone is dominated taiga because it's very cold. However, with the time of the years, climate change has increased, which means that the sun rays are more stronger and destroys with more facility the ice where we live. In addition, with the new inventions, our habitat has been undergone with new attempts for creating a recreation, tourism, industrial areas, which also increments the hunting polar bears for our warm white fur for making rugs or coats. But what helps us is that we are at the top of the food chain. Seals eat seals and seals eat fishes and they eat copepods and successfully algae and so on. On the other hand, it is not successful because we are vulnerable species with only 26,000 remaining despite the government has been creating protection areas and campaigns on pollution awareness.
Hi, I am a Mexican wolf. My habitat is mainly in Mexico and in some places of USA. But I'm mainly in Sonora, Chihuahua, Durango, some other places. My principal uh, preys are the deer, hares, sheep, and other kinds of species. My In 2018, I in wild only have in wild there were only 37 wolves, Mexican wolves in wild. My population in these years is decreasing. My importance to the habitat where I am is that I am like a type of regulator because I eat that the species and the species don't like. In that way, I can have I could regulate these species, and that means that they don't finish all the food that they have in some areas. Uh, well, some of the main causes because I'm decreasing the population is because I'm losing the area where I eat, because humans. Uh, mm, that's very sad. Also, the Mexican government and other people makes a campaign where that is named hashtag Protege a la Manada, and this campaign is supposed that the purpose is that in 20 or 25 years I could be in wild. In Mexico, 200 wolves in wild and 300 in USA.
I am a Christmas Island chain gecko. I am a little lizard that is like almost 5 to 7 centimeters long that lives in the Christmas Islands rainforest. I eat insects and some little plants, but my diet consists principally in insects. And now I am a vulnerable species because I don't live in the wild anymore. One would say that it's fault of the humans that now I'm not living in my beautiful rainforest Christmas Island house, but no, it's fault of new species that were in the island and start eating me and eating my little friends. Cats, wolves, and a little bit of birds that, well, they kind of hated me. But now I survive. My population decreased from 2008 to 2015, and nowadays there's none of us living in the wild that, well, not that I know, and there's only 30% of our populations since 1980. So please take care of us because we eat the insects you are afraid of. Take care of us. Bye.